Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore the lives and works of three fascinating authors from different times, culture, and genres. Number one is Amado V. Hernandez from the Philippines, Bob Ong, a contemporary Filipino author, and Lewis Carroll, a classic English writer. Despite their differences, all three authors use literature as a powerful medium to reflect society, imagination, and the human experience. Let's begin with Amado V. Hernandez. Amado V. Hernandez was a Filipino writer and a labor leader, widely recognized for his commitment to social justice. He was awarded the title of National Artist for Literature in the Philippines in 1972. His most famous works include Mga Ibong Mandaranggit or The Birds of Prey, a political novel, Luha ng Buhaya or The Crocodile Tears, numerous poems that express the struggles of workers and the oppressed. What makes Hernandez unique is most how he combined literary talent with activism. He was even imprisoned for his belief, yet he continued to write inside his cell. His writing is direct, filled with emotion, and rooted in reality. He used literature as a weapon to fight for justice. Next, let's talk about Babang, a contemporary Filipino author known for his witty, humorous, and sometimes satirical books. His real identity is anonymous, which adds to his mysterious charm. Some of his popular works include Aba, Nakakabasa na pala ako, a humorous look at the Philippine education system, Stainless Longganisa, a reflection on reading and writing, Alamat ng Gubat, an allegorical novel that critiques Philippine politics. Babong's style is conversational and accessible. He makes Taglish, or the Tagalog English, humor and personal anecdotes. Despite the humor, his stories often highlights the flaws in society, particularly in education, governance, and Filipino culture. In a way, he's like a modern social commentator in the disguise of a comedian. Now, let's shift gears to Lewis Carroll, the pen name of Charles Ludwig Dodgson, a 19th century English writer, mathematician, and logician. His famous works are Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, Through the Looking Glass. Carroll's writing is known for its nonsense literature, whimsical characters, and clever wordplay. He takes readers into a world where logic is flipped and imagination reigns. For example, the Mad Hatter's Tea Party or the Cheshire Cat are not just funny scenes, they challenge readers to think differently, question rules, and explore the absurdities of adult society. Carroll's influence goes beyond literature into mathematics and logic, and he remains a central figure in both children's literature and literary theory. Through Amado V. Hernandez, Bob Ong, and Lewis Carroll differ in language, style, and time period. They all use literature to challenge, inspire, and provoke thoughts. Hernandez fights for justice using realism and poetry. Bob Ong entertains and critiques with humor and sarcasm. Lewis Carroll invites us into a world of logic defying fantasy and wonder. Each author shows us that literature is not just about storytelling, it is about revealing truth, whether through harsh reality, playful absurdity, or reflective humor. Thank you for joining us as we explore the minds of these three literary giants. May their works continue to open our eyes, entertain our hearts, and inspire our minds.